So hello guys, I'm back with my next video. Uh, so in this video we will solve Make It Beautiful from Educational 141. So what question is? So we are given an array A which is called ugly. If it contain at least one element which is equal to sum of all the elements before it. If it is not the case, then our array is beautiful. So yeah, our array either be ugly or be beautiful. So let's see when it will be ugly. So in this array, it will be ugly. How it will be? So like 6 is the sum of all the elements before it? No, are no elements before 6. Okay, so let's skip 6. So is 3 is the sum of all the elements before it? No, because sum of all the elements before 3 is 6 and 3 is not equal to 6. Let's see 9 is the sum of all the elements before it. Yeah, because 6 plus 3 is 9 and here we get 9. So we got at least one element which is equal to sum of all the elements before it. We don't need to like search the entire array because this is the first element which is equal to all the elements before it. So we can simply return ugly. Like in this case, we can skip the first element. After this, after this we can see all the elements before this position are 5 only. So yeah, we have 5 here also. So yeah, basically it is ugly. Let's see how this is beautiful. So let's skip the first one. Here we have 4. So 4 is not the sum of all the elements before it. Similarly with 10, 10 is not the sum of all the elements before it because sum of 8 and 4 is 12. Same with the case with 14. So yeah, let's move to the our main question. You are given an array such that array's value can range up from 1 to 100. Okay, we have to reorder the element of A in such a way that resulting array is beautiful. So focus on the uh, word reorder. We have to reorder it. It means we have to basically shuffle all the elements. Okay, let's move forward. Note that you are not allowed to insert new elements or erase existing ones. You can only change the order of element of A. Okay, we can't insert any new element, we can't delete any element. We just need to reorder. Okay, as the question said earlier, you are allowed to keep the array unchanged if it is beautiful. Okay, got the point. Let's see how our inputs will be. There will be a test case. Okay, then there will be n. Then there will be our array. Okay, okay. Let's see how our output will be. Okay, if it is not possible to reorder the element of array, then in that case we have to print no. Otherwise, we have to print yes. And after that, in the second line, print an integer. Okay, then it means we have to print yes if we can reorder the array to make it beautiful, and then we have to print all the elements of that shuffled array or the reordered array. Let's see how this is working. So basically, we have I'm assuming a test case such as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is the array. Let's see if this is ugly or beautiful. So let's skip the first element because there is no element before it. We are at 2. 2 is not the sum of all the elements before it. Completely fine. What all the elements before 3 are 2 and 1, and the sum of 2 and 1 is 3, and 3 is equal to 3. So yeah, this array is ugly. Okay, so if we find the array is ugly, so we have to convert it into an beautiful array. So what I did in contest, I'll actually think how I can like shuffle this array to make this beautiful array. What I found is after some hit and trials, I found that if I sort this array in a decreasing order, what I did is I put an element, smallest element after a greater element. This element may be equal to this element or it will be smaller to this element because I sorted this in a decreasing order. Okay, so let's see if this array is beautiful or not. Okay, so let's skip the first element. Is 4 is equal to the sum of all the elements before it? No. 3, no. 2, no. 1, no, because before 1 the element are 5 plus 4, 9, 9 plus 3, 12 plus 2, 14. So yeah, I found this way, but there is a catch in this way. What the catch is? Yeah, it's a beautiful array. What the catch in this array? Let's assume a case when we have only two elements and those two elements are equal, 5, 5. Now I like sorted this in decreasing order 5 5. Now as we did earlier, we will skip the first element. After that we have 5, which is the sum of all the element before it. So in this case, not just in this case, let's assume one more case where we have something like 5 5 4 3 2 1. Now we have sorted the order in this case, and now we again have 5, which will be equal to the previous element of all the sum of previous element. So what we will do in this case, first of all, we check. Yeah, there will be one more case, like if we have all the elements equal. So in this case, again, we can't do anything. But in this case, we can do something. Like instead of 5 5 4 3 1, we can write 5 4 5 3 2 1. Okay, because this 5 was creating a problem with us. Okay, so what we did, we just move this 5 one place earlier, or we can like move this anywhere. Okay, so I can move. So instead of writing this, we can write this to 5 4. Sorry, 5 4 3 2 1 and 5. We can like move this 5 at last. Okay, we can make sure the array after sorting this array in decreasing order will definitely be beautiful. If it is not, then definitely these two places are equal. If these places are equal, then what we can do, we can like push the 5. We can like delete 5 from here, and like we can push 5 into the back of the array like this. Okay, no, sorry, like this. So we can like get a successfully beautiful array. So like I did the same, but we have to consider this case when all elements of the array are equal. So I did the same. I will show you the code here. So see what I did. So first of all, I took the input of the size. Okay, after I took the input of an array, what I did after that, I pushed all the element into a set. Okay, so you guys must aware of this set data structure. What it did, it basically store only unique elements. So after pushing all the elements of A into set, I found if my set size is 1, that is only one element is present because it stores only unique elements. So I simply will print no, and I will return from here. If this is not the case, then I will print yes. Then I will move to the next line, and then with the next line, I will sort the array A in decreasing order, and I will find if size is greater than 1. Then I will simply like swap the first element, first index, as our array is zero base index. So I will simply swap the first index with the last index. It does not matter if we are getting these elements. If in this case also, if what we will do, if we swap the elements like this, there will be no harm. So why? So instead of like handling this case separately, what I did this for all the array, and it does not matter. So what we did with after swapping this, we just simply print the array, and after this, we simply get the solution of our array. Okay, thank you. We will meet in the next video. Till then, keep grind.